What is going on, YouTube? I've been under the weather lately. I haven't been making a ton of videos. We got some snakes to feed. We got some rats. Let's see what we got going on down here. Looks pretty wet. I don't know if she made a mess or not. Let's see if she wants to eat today. What do I got for her? Let's see what she does here. Pretty sure she ate recently. Yeah, she's gonna take that. Ooh. She has taken that. Whew. Don't like seeing that. That's why I always check. She did not get a good head strike this time, so we're gonna secure the rat and do what we gotta do, but we cannot have a bite. Don't think he's a threat anymore at this point. We're gonna move down on the list here. I got these smalls I can give. Got these little pups here. Let's see if he wants to take one of these. Our guy Emmett is next. I'm gonna guess he's ready to eat. He's been off for 2 weeks now or so. He has not eaten 3 or 4 weeks now. Very unusual for him. So I'm just keeping an eye on him, handling him a little more. We'll see what he wants to do here. Just gonna give him a minute. But normally you know with him, so. And if he didn't take it by now, he's not gonna, so. Go ahead and move it along. Like I said, he has not been eaten. I don't know what the situation is with that, but maybe he's just full. He's been a good eater this whole time, so. Go ahead and put that right back. And get him inside. And move on with the video. Let's see. Go ahead and give Zelda one of these. I know she's always going to be ready. Our girl's always ready. Might miss this one. But I can't have these rats getting out, so. I know she was pretty hard in blue here. I don't know if she shed yet. I didn't see her, so. We'll have to take a look. Really don't want this rat getting out. Like I said, she's pretty deep in shed. She might not eat. So. And like I figured, she's probably gonna pass. She's gonna shed any second now. Got this little pup here. Go ahead and offer that to our boy Sunday. See if he wants to eat today. It's a good size for our boy. Shed for me here, still got a little bit of pieces. This one's different. That is one way to do it. Go ahead and check on my boy Marco here. go ahead and really try to get him to eat today. I know this rat can't do nothing to him, so hoping he takes me. Just get him set up. Our girl doing her thing. Getting rid of some rats for me. Beautiful snake too, champagne pinstripe. Oops.